In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to Systemi.io. This process is designed to be straightforward, taking about 5 minutes of your time. Facebook pixels are a fantastic tool that allows you to track conversions and optimize your ad performance, so let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Systemi.io. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. If not, go ahead and sign up. It's a simple process, and once you're in, you're on your way to enhancing your marketing efforts with Facebook Pixel. Now, before continuing, a quick heads up. Make sure you have your Facebook Pixel code readily available. If you don't, you can get one from the Facebook Ads Manager under the Events Manager section. This code is crucial as it enables the tracking capabilities that help you gather valuable insights on your audience's interactions. Once you're logged into your Systemi.io account, navigate to the funnel or landing page where you'd like to implement the pixel. By choosing the specific funnel you want to track, you're aligning your marketing efforts better with your intended audience. Next, click on the Edit Page button of your chosen funnel. This will direct you to the design and configuration area of your funnel. Look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll make your adjustments to integrate with Facebook Pixel. Scroll down until you find the Tracking section. Here is where you'll input various tracking codes that can help optimize your digital marketing processes. Directly below this area, you'll see an option to configure button actions. This configuration lets you determine what happens when a visitor interacts with your funnel's buttons, such as submitting a form, opening a URL, displaying a pop-up, downloading a file, or moving to the next step of your funnel. This personalizes your user interaction, making each click more meaningful and aligned with your business goals. With these configurations sorted out, locate the Edit Header Code box. This is where you'll paste the Facebook Pixel code you obtained earlier. Ensuring the code is placed here accurately is essential because it's how Facebook will track user activities on your funnel or landing page. Finally, with everything in place, remember to click Save Changes in the top right corner of your screen. This ensures that all your configurations are securely stored and activated. Congratulations! You've successfully added a Facebook pixel to your Systemi.io setup. This little piece of code will now work behind the scenes, collecting data that will help you optimize your ad campaigns and improve your business performance. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.